Okay guys, so what I want to do today is I want to show you how to read an image file that was sent to you via SMS or text. So a lot of you have said that you have received a picture via SMS. So let me show you how to import that picture into KNFB Reader and read it. I'm going to switch over to my Messages application, and this tutorial assumes that you already know how to open the image in the Messages application, so I'm not going to show you that, and if you need that information I can create a separate tutorial for that. So
App switcher, messages, active.
So I'm switching to the Messages application.
Contact. Messages, done, button.
And as always, the voiceover always lands on the top left-hand side of the screen, which is
Done, button.
the Done button. And I'm going to right-click with my thumb finger here to find the Share button, because I already have the image open. And if you do need, again, a tutorial on that, please let me know and I'll provide it.
3 of 3, heading.
3 of 3 just means that I'm on the third image of 3 that I was sent.
Share button.
And here it is, Share button. What I want to do is I want to double tap on this.
Share, alert, airdrop recipient, no one found yet, image.
And then I'm going to search for copy to KNFB Reader.
Airdrop, message, button, mail, button, notes, button, Facebook, button, WhatsApp, button, Twitter, button, Flickr, button, Draggable.
By the way, I am right-flicking with my thumb finger.
Save PDF to iCloud photo share, Telegram, button, copy to iMovie, copy to iTunes U, copy to Kick, button, copy to KNFB Reader, button, Draggable.
There it is. I'm going to double tap on that.
Selected, copy to KNFB Reader. KNFB Reader, OCR language, button.
All right, so let me left flick here to make sure that I'm on the top left-hand side of the screen here.
Batch mode is add picture, field of view, take picture, tilt guidance, camera flashes, settings, file explorer, imports available, button.
Okay, notice how it says File Explorer imports available.
Back button.
I just double tapped on that. Notice I landed on the back button, which is the top left-hand side of the screen. Always. The way the iOS devices work is you always land on the top left-hand most control on the screen. In this case, it's the back button. I'm going to right click.
Settings button.
Settings button.
Edit button.
There's the edit button.
JPEG IMG_1946 contains one page created 02/08/2016 9:34 a.m.
That's the one I want, so I'm going to double tap on it.
Back button.
Notice that I landed on the back button again. What I'm looking for is recognize imported image here.
Recognize imported image, heading.
And I right clicked to do that search. So the button that I'm looking for is
Recognize imported image, button.
There it is. I'm going to double tap on it.
Recognize imported image, dimmed. Last page done, please wait. Back button.
TEAMQL.
Play.
Okay,
button.
notice that it did recognize a little bit of that image. This particular one is not the best, but I wanted to show you how to do that from your SMS.
Next sentence, button.
If you want to read that, you can do it, but I'm going to go back to the main interface here.
View image associated with document, button. Settings, button. Page 1 of 1. Back button. Back button. Save file. Choose file name.
All right, so what it's going to do is when you recognize an image, is it's going to ask you to save the file. What you could do here is you can give it a file name. I'm going to right click here.
IMG_1946, text field.
Notice how it says IMG 1946. Okay. That's so that this file can be saved to your File Explorer and later on you can see it. So I'm going to double tap here.
Insertion point at end. Language. Edit. Select all. Select all.
I'm going to select all and then I'm going to just type in sample.
D S A N M L Lima L P L E.
Okay. Now that I have that,
text field is editing sample. Insertion point at end.
It says sample and I'm going to right click.
Clear text button.
You can clear your text if you want to retype.
Save button.
Now there's the save button. I'm going to double tap on that.
File Explorer. Take picture button.
If you go back to the File Explorer, what you're going to find is you're going to find your sample document that you just created in there. And that completes the tutorial on how to recognize an image file that has been sent to you to your text messages application on an iOS device. In this case, an SMS message. If you have any questions, please feel free to post it down below or send me an email at blindtechchannel@gmail.com. Please don't forget to subscribe for future tutorials on accessible technologies. Thank you.